Why do we yawn? In this video, we will learn about yawning, so just stay with me. Why do we yawn? A fun science fact you will love. Have you ever yawned when you are sleepy? Or even just when you see someone else yawn? Let's find out why. Yawning is when you open your mouth wide, take a deep breath, and sometimes stretch a little. It looks funny, but your body does it for a reason. When you are sleepy or bored, your brain gets a bit slow. Yawning helps bring in more oxygen and wake up your brain. Yawning also cools down your brain like a fan. A cooler brain helps you stay alert and focused. If you see someone yawn, you might yawn too. It's called being contagious. And scientists still don't fully know why. Maybe it's your brain copying others. Did you know? Dog, cats, lions, and even birds yawn too. It helps them relax or get ready to move. So, it's recap time. So, why do we yawn? To bring in more oxygen. To wake up or stay alert. To cool the brain because others yawn. How many times did you yawn in this video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos.